Paying with Chick-fil-A gift card on the app is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you would like to transfer a gift card onto the Chick-fil-A app, follow the mentioned steps. Begin by launching the Chick-fil-A app from your device. Navigate to the bottom of the home screen and tap on the scan option. Look for the Add Funds button located just below the displayed QR code. Upon tapping Add Funds, a new screen will appear. Here, select the option labeled Transfer a Gift Card found at the bottom of the screen. You will then be prompted to input the gift card number along with its associated PIN. Make sure to enter these details accurately to ensure a successful transfer. After entering the required information, proceed to finalize the transfer process. After the transfer, your gift card balance will be combined with a digital gift card in the Chick-fil-A app. Remember, you will only be able to check and use the balance through the app. This means the physical card will show a balance of 0.